everybody, it's Ross with Northern Technology Services. So, if you notice, we got a little bit of a different setup here. Trying something a little new. Hope you guys enjoy. So, we're going to dive into today. If you notice behind me, I've got our EC2 instance, our virtual machine up in Amazon Web Services. And today, we're going to talk about adding extensions into Google Chrome. And specifically, this extension that we're going to add is the ad blocker. The ad blocker is useful. It helps stop some pop-ups, some tracking cookies, and so forth. This can be used to prevent against, general nuisances as well as malicious attacks, which can sometimes be hidden inside the ads themselves. Alright, so we're going to dive in here. Alrighty, so kind of what we've got going on. We got Google Chrome here. We've got nothing installed, not even signed in. And we're just going to kind of take it from here. So, kind of give you an idea here just so you can see where all your extensions live at. We got our three dots here. We can come down to tools. We can come here to extensions. So, you see, we've just got the basic extensions which automatically come in Google Chrome. With docs, slides, so forth. So we want to add an extension, right? So kind of the best way to do this is we just go ahead and here, we type in Chrome extensions. So to do that, you see there's some other stuff pops up. We're going to scroll down a little bit. And here you can see it's purple because this is the last one we clicked on. So ideally, I always want to look at that link. Make sure it's not an ad or anything. So then we can go ahead and click on that. Right now we are in the Chrome Web Store. This is where you're going to get your extensions. This is where we're going to find everything you're looking for. So what we're going to do is we're just going to type in Adblock. And we're going to go ahead and grab Adblock Plus. This one kind of seems to be one of the better ones that seen people have good luck with. Doesn't seem to cause a nuisance or anything. Just seems to work smoothly. So once so we figured out we wanted to do Adblock, we're going to go ahead and click Add that to Chrome. Little pop-up window. Are you sure you want to do this? It says read and change all your data on your website. That's what this can do. And display notifications. So we're going to go ahead and hit add. And then that's going to do a quick download. And we wait for it. Shazam. Alright, now if you notice here in what we've got now, next to the little icon of the person, or if you're signed in, this is where you would sign in be at. What we've got now is that little Adblock Plus logo. We click on that and this tells you the number of items blocked. So kind of give this a little run through real fast here. Let's go visit good old YouTube, right? YouTube's always a fun one. Alright, so we're on YouTube. Oh, look at that. We've already blocked 2 items on this page. And that was within just a couple seconds after it loading up. So that's kind of an idea of what Adblock can do for you. In the Chrome Web Store, there's lots of other extensions. One that I've been using a lot lately is Grammarly. Grammarly is pretty cool, the one to use. This actually kind of helps with if you have issues with spelling, things like that. You can use this when you're typing online and it'll do an autocorrect pop-up, kind of like with Word, where it'll highlight it and it'll give you the actual proper grammatical replacement for what you're typing in. So that's kind of a cool feature as well. They got lots of extensions in here. Always just kind of read through them closely. One thing to look at the numbers, look at the reviews, just to kind of be safe. And poke around in there. There's lots of cool extensions and add-ons that you might like within Chrome. And if you do find one, or let's say next thing you know you end up with this thing just getting filled up with extensions over there, Just remember, we come to those three dots at the top right. Go to extensions. And then we can come right here. We can either turn it off, turn it on, or we can remove it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? You know, so ideally that's basically what there is for, you know, Adblock for extensions of the Chrome. Definitely recommend using, you know, using an ad blocker. It helps out, saves some hassle, and lets you just get back to browsing. So one of the things too I wanted to mention, you know, notice with kind of the new layout, definitely let me know, leave some feedback in the comments what you think of the new layout. You know, make sure to go check out the Facebook page, click follow, click see first. Now, another thing too, if you haven't noticed yet, I've got this new little ticker bar down here in the bottom. So one of the cool little fun facts that I've got in the ticker bar today is 71% of Americans are more worried about having their personal financial information hacked, whereas 22% of Americans are more worried about being attacked while driving. To give you an idea, it's kind of crazy when you look at the statistics that we in America are more afraid of cyber attacks, cyber terrorism, and hackers than a car accident. You know, just kind of a food for thought, something to keep in mind there. And also too, if you notice in the corner, passwords are like underpants. Change them often, keep them private, and you'll be good. So that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. Take care, and check it out at NTS Manage and all of your favorite social medias. Thanks. Bye now.